I'm dry. And this is the Morus Zero. It's a dryer from the future. It might just be the fastest, gentlest dryer on Earth.
Which is good because I've got to be somewhere in 20 minutes and this just happened.
Thankfully, the Morus Zero uses vacuum technology. No, not that vacuum, space vacuum. Because just like in outer space, the water inside Morus evaporates at a lower temperature, thus requiring less heat and energy to vaporize. Combined with its infrared heating system, it can dry your clothes in as little as 15 minutes. The world needs this.
Sure, I like kicking it at the laundromat every Friday night. But what am I supposed to do when all the machines are full? And I also don't need to be judged for my awesome underwear. Why be here when you could be here, safely doing laundry in the comfort of your own home? And I do mean safely, because the Morus Zero uses a moisture sensor system that detects when drying is finished and automatically turns off the device. Say goodbye to overheating, energy waste, shrinkage, and germs. Thanks to ultraviolet cleaning, Morus eliminates up to 99.9% of bacteria, so your clothes come out as fresh as newly harvested pistachios. Taking the Morus Zero on the go with you is as easy as pie.
Sweetie, we're on vacation. Do you have to do this now?
Whoops. Sorry, honey.
But seriously, this thing is pretty nifty.
Its compact body makes it easy to move around, and because it's ventless, there's no need for complicated pipe setups or installation. And when the detachable tank is full, you just remove it, dump the water, and it's good to go.
It is so handy. I don't know which Morus I love more.
So there you have it. A future where drying is faster, greener, and safer than ever before. So back us today, and you'll be the first to receive your very own at an exclusive discounted price.
How will you clean them? Public laundry? Not safe. Hand wash? Too tiring. Washing machine? Takes too long. Try the Easy Wash, designed for washing and drying only a few items of clothes. It's very easy to use. Put the clothes into the main cylinder, along with detergent and water. Lock the cover. Place the handle in the middle slot to wash for about 2 to 5 minutes. Pull off the bottom plug to drain the water. Switch the handle to drying mode for 30 seconds. Hundreds of holes in the cylinder to ensure effective and deep cleaning as it spins. Easy Wash is compact and easy to use, not just at home, but also when you're away from home, even when you're camping.
Water Spitter, an innovative way to clean laundry. We are people from different worlds, Whether you are fishing or doing household activities, taking care of your cleanliness is important for you and others. There are moments, though, when life gets in the way of that, such as wanting to show off your new catch or needing to quickly refresh your washcloths and cleaning supplies. You need something that is quick, easy, and portable. We present to you a new prosthetic washing machine, accessible wherever you are and at whatever time you need. All it takes is loading your clothes or cloths in, water, and one press of a button. The water spitter takes 2 liters of water. Whether you need a 10, a 15, or 20-minute wash, the water spitter is available to be adjusted to any of your cleaning needs and can be drained easily through the opening of a valve or automatically. The choice is yours. After your clothes are done washing, the water spitter can spin dry your items for 10 or 15 minutes. Or dry for 120, 180, or 300 minutes. Easy to work and easy to carry. This washing machine will solve all your problems at home or on the go. With several washing modes and drying capability, this machine allows you to quickly and efficiently clean your linens. Taking up minimal space and being easily accessible is what 2020 is all about. Don't miss out on your opportunity to own this washing machine. We care for you and for your cleanliness.
The CleanTouch washing machine. An eco-friendly, foldable, and wireless washing machine, perfect for home use or while traveling. CleanTouch is the perfect solution for washing the clothes we use the most, such as socks, t-shirts, gym clothes, baby clothes, underwear, and personals. CleanTouch has a built-in rechargeable battery, and when fully charged, it will allow for up to 10 wash cycles. The CleanTouch washing machine is easy to use. Simply add water and detergent, power on the unit, and press start. CleanTouch will allow you to add 1 kilogram of wet clothes, and its forward-reverse motion agitator will give your clothes a comparable washing experience to that of a traditional washing machine. After 4 minutes of washing time, the unit will automatically stop. At this point, it's time to drain out the dirty water, replace with clean water, and run a final wash cycle to rinse out any excess detergent. And that's it! You'll have ready-to-dry clothes in under 10 minutes. And that's simply amazing! Considering the unit can be folded down to 3 inches in height, making it easy to store and transport the unit. CleanTouch is an eco-friendly alternative to washing clothes, using less energy and water than a traditional washing machine, helping in reducing carbon footprint and water consumption. So no matter where you are, at home or on the go, always benefit from the comfort of clean clothes. The first batch of CleanTouch is already under production. You can get your CleanTouch through this campaign at a super low price, so everyone can see the life-changing benefits of having a CleanTouch in your home. As we head towards mass production, we need your support to get the word out about our breakthrough new product. Together, let's embrace new innovations that are safe for Mother Earth.
It's a great alternative to hand washing or laundromat. I'm Vlad Dasijan. I have a PhD in engineering, and I invented Wonder Washer to change the way we wash. There is always a need for small loads between big laundries. Sportswear, daily wear, and personal items require freshness. Take a look at how much detergent remains in the supposedly clean clothes washed in a traditional way. It is your choice. A detergent on your skin or completely fresh clothes with Wonder Washer. Clean by Ozone. a natural defender and cleaner of our planet. Everyone remembers the clean air after a lightning storm. Ozone washed it. Ozone works as well as detergent, but it doesn't leave any chemical contamination in clothes and water at all. And you also need fresh air in your house. You get it with Wonder Washer. It's a bonus. Also save time and money on dry cleaning your clothes or sneakers from bad smells. Strawberries, raspberries, and bunches of grapes are difficult to wash and disinfect with traditional methods, but ozone in the water kills all bacteria within a few minutes. Used ozonated water is very useful to water the houseplants. Wonder Washer has been carefully designed to ensure durability and productivity. This device will make your life naturally cleaner.
Introducing Wear, reimagining the way we clean our clothes. Using pioneering hydrodynamic technology, Wear is a simple-to-use handheld device that creates a blast of water, air, and detergent that actively collides with dirt, stains, and everyday odors. A breakthrough innovation that was the result of 6 years of development and over 11,000 tests. Wear tackles the things your washing machine typically can't wash. Whether it's deep cleaning delicates, effortlessly removing stains and spills, or quickly refreshing clothes between washes, Wear uses just a fraction of the water, energy, and detergent of conventional laundry. So you save money and get to spend more time doing the things you love, all while protecting your clothes and the environment. Wear, reimagining laundry.